Hi, I'm Karim Rahimtullah. I'm with the War Room. Brian Bonarelli, my partner, is not with me right now, but he's probably in the War Room. So together, we run what we think is the best service out there to help people learn about the market and also make money in real time. Okay. So today, I'm going to talk about this concept of trailing stops, not a stop loss. Okay. People know what a stop loss is. I think we've covered it before. Trailing stop is a little bit different. It's very, very simple. You got to get the concept, but it's very simple. So this is going to be a really short video, okay? Trailing stops is how you protect profits, okay? So for example, if you use a 10% trailing stop, this is how you would enact it. You would tell your broker, because it's got a spot in your brokerage account, even online brokers, where you can put in a trailing stop. So let's say you buy a stock at 10 bucks and it goes to 11 bucks. You're up a dollar. Okay? You don't want to lose that dollar, right? Okay. It might not seem like a lot. Let's say the stock goes to $12. You're up $2 right now. So what you do is now you put in a trailing stop of 10%. And what does that do? That tells the market that this stock, as long as it keeps going up, you're good with it. But if it drops 10% from any level, you're out of it. Get it? You're protecting your profits. So let's take a $10 example. Let's say you're up $2 on a $10 stock and you've got a 10% trailing stop. It's at 12. So the trailing stop now kicks in at $1.20 below the current price. So the stock goes from 12 to 10.80. Your trailing stop will kick in and you'll sell the shares and you'll make 80 cents or 8%. Okay, it's better than losing money, right? And if the stock goes up, let's say further to $15 a share, now the trailing stop at 10% is $1.50. So if it drops to $13.50, it'll sell and you'll make $3.50. So it keeps moving up as the stock price moves up. But once it triggers from that level down, whether it's 10% or 15%, you're going to be out of it. So it's the best way to protect your profits because you don't want to give up those hard-earned profits. I certainly don't. I know you don't. So use trailing stops. For Simply Answered, Simply Explained, I'm Karim Rahimtullah. Click on that link below and you'll get even more information like this and actually have access to our entire series, which is going to make you a better investor.